I'm just chilling now. You know, just chilling in my AC room. You know I love you so much, so I would like you to come to Lagos and then come and visit me. Yeah. So I'll take you around Lagos. Yeah, take you. But I'll have you don't say. Just come. Let's enjoy ourselves. Can you go? Sorry, let me call you back. Can you go? What's the problem?
I'm so put on you do and I'm getting.
Mm.
Check could you make your everywhere and get that because
Oh, come on, Oga. If you want to bath, then just go outside and go to the next house across the street. Then you can get water there. Or you.
I don't understand. I'm supposed to cross streets. Okay, like right now I'm even tying rapper. Me pay street to the person get even on your law.
And then you should go and put on your other clothes or wear something. Then you can.
Mega on one thing. Just tell me one thing that is easy when you hear Yanni.
That's why you're in Lagos. That's why you're in Lagos.
Man, your home kids and tumbu in the middle you should tumbu in the kaka tune mom that didn't you ho ya paying compounds when we done that casting again. What type of life is
like
this?
I said before, we don't have life here for a very long time now. So we are expecting by the day Usuga. Usu am going to rush him or you. Mulongo me mark for him baba mark while when the bathroom is ready, you can use it then.
Now mom top bucket cross roads. When you meet to people's houses, go and fetch water over on you.
No, so come on, you over saying like kissing him.
Now come on, passing them tape. The Hashman telling you have compound that are kissing him on you. Yeah.
She wow because I know come on now. Who know mom don't that kissing him no you.
Come by because who lamb never have fun deceiving all these girls. You are lying to them and to see they come and pity. Come moga. Imagine, can you so sure you evaluate agent. So if you think somebody like me, if I'm your girlfriend, I will not come and stay in this type of house with you.
So you don't want to start life with somebody. You don't want to start life with somebody. Also with him, then you in her. I did what I because I know come him like kissing all you. I don't want to make you quiet because you are king the more for the woman. You are imagine. Wanga, Mosha. What fish are in your by yawing now? Mosha. By yawing J. Kaka Yoruna, Wikas, Capcabon or ye. Ingen on when dig a man, but what's the interview that would have created?
Law interview.
Let her go up how many do by Yam here.
No, do by Yam one Gaav too.
Yeah, now you are
one Gaav in Chiniga.
The Bush and why you do that created on and no longer understanding them. I'm going to kill you, who over I'm heading. You always got quash or motion to who are you on it.
Some no you can't what's wrong with the clothes?
Who can wake look like go my change you how much you could talk on who
is it not the same clothes you've been wearing since yesterday? Although Zambo Gambo na lo mi ge ye share ibe ya hinya show move down or you cutting or nya short.
Kapo ya no ya ka gambo ga. Wait go.
To Zambo yo. No so ya can you hustle over me in the house before you are coming to disturb. Who told him where you are coming? What did you even bring? What did you bring? You man he young amona mosquitoes. Still money mosquitoes.
Go derine. What do you think I call you mosquito coil? We two be you use. Go. Go ya pure water. Go ga.
Some nyarega. You know number I customer could discipline won't go so.
What's up? Who thought time?
Who deserve respect, Momunga? You don't deserve any respect from me. Someone now will respect.
Okay, because we quagga, but who now respect that?
Who will quagga? She come more in a year. Your life, you are living a very fake life, and I'm not happy. Yes.
Now when you are better, when you are Lagos, Mundo, you know one guy, you know we do cause and grow away.
Ka fake life la.
Ka fake life.
Ka fake life like fake life no le compare to Polu
ele. And now you hit do cause you go hit do cause in Lagos.
Oh, Paul pin na ba pin.
Bolo do na pin won ko wan kwase tiga.
Modern.
Uru yelling you.
Modern. Nyamba ma ben. I'm not even sleepy again.
So thank God.
The sleep has even cleared from my eyes.
Oh, you.
You can't be dealing with you are just coming back. You're just coming back home in the morning. Your mates are going to work to go and work and bring back reasonable thing. Now you are coming here to give me 50. How much is this? Poor man.
Hi.
Why did you come back? You would have just stayed where you went to.
So I used my money to bring problem to myself. So by me telling you to come to Lagos, giving you transport, now you are calling me poor man.
Please just leave me alone.
Now so I push him do me.
Just go. Oh, thank God. Just go here. The end he didn't bag again.
Mo no yen tell. Ubu no mo yakin ga.
Ish, buna yo kawo na kana tire na kange ga shiori na.
Ubu no mo yakin.
You remember son nyare ga kan nyare la. You see deri me yen.
Ka hin Lagos uri o. O se ya tota na we. Alugo na nyare na. No de jim never down.
Ish. Okasi Luha is bragging money back. Okay, my brother is living a big and luxurious life in Lagos. See somebody I'm calling my brother. It's money, you are just coming back.
Yeah, baby. Baby, ufa. Seka boto wata seka sema yo. Achu. Ko sache to da ka angere disease shami na ga kwase. Seme boto wata achu sache to ka ro ya ka shama ngana. Na ga kwa ka sema o dise. Ngere ma wasen sema. Oh, man, you enjoy it. Yeah, I love you so much. Wait.
But I'm nyoki yo.
One guy, can you quit it?
Nyoki yo move for. Do you know how many offices I went to?
So you dress like this, eh?
I will go for interview. They'll be looking at me as if I'm a clown or something. But
why will you dress like this and go for an interview? Are you okay? Are you
What is wrong with my dress? Can you dress in the middle? Is this not a traditional this thing? Can you go wrong with her? What is wrong with my dressing?
But we're not chairman Charlie tissue over that canvas.
Yes, yeah, shouldn't hire.
No, yes, no, you shouldn't.
You know how much this shoe is?
Pinekwa. When we fake life, Pakuba,
what do you know that you want me to be asking you questions? What do you know?
I will show you what to do. You cannot be dressing.
Don't show me anything.
Look at how you are looking. Just look at yourself. If it is you, can you give yourself work? In an office. You have first class now. Don't be doing this thing. Don't embarrass me, I beg. Put them away. Don't go first class. Not go where you need J. She first class, she get no one put a E question.
See, brother. Because of dressing, when we attend him to my result, what check
I will go to and go quiet to cut to sit up using a joke as old down with a not charity now will come. Who some who has get some who I can handle who test joke you cannot do Quasha. When other hair with decent, people with decent, at least a little bit of decency. You will a little bit of decency in your life. You will decent, but at least you may manage you.
Brother,
you are dressing a hanger now.
Hey, Nama, is that why you want to crucify me?
But it's not good. At least ask questions.
No.
Yeah, you know, but in your hand, what do you even without to?
Nah. Bodo ya men kyoluga.
Akwa de mo ne ko mu ya. Cool ham hinga wa mo ya mo ko. Ka cool ham ga nyo mo ya mo ko.
Ya men kyolu mo to gbeduana to ni gi result mo dum tagam na duana to.
O to mo we wasenga mo go really effect na hinga mo ya mo.
But sorry gan. I'm sorry.
Ki ru won be o ki ru won ga ngo wujina en kwa mo do am o we. Ka just okay.
Da.
So for
But do me say interview me change it.
never you who like.
But I know you make a skirt. You buy a skirt for me.
Ko ko mo fa kinu me ya mo ya. Ko ko de yo jiga. Pam. Alone why? One guy, y'all.
If I want I can Dorcas.
Dorcas, you never hear Dorcas. Never hear Dorcas. One guy.
But make a Dorcas so.
Make a one guy.
Cat Dorcas.
Make a one guy.
And we have a can check what
But you are one guy. That's it. Bahing.
Yeah, I can tell my answer.
You are one guy. Kaya ano ba tiro? On. Una. Ay, go what's the phone.